it's your girl Aditi here. Today's video I'm gonna be doing my favorite 1000 rupee shopping challenge from Amazon. But there is a slight tweak. I did not just end up spending only 1000. I did 3 times this 1000 rupee shopping challenge because I quite liked some of the amazing stuff the Amazon had because it was sale time. So I've got clothes and bag with me, so I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So let's get started. I got this amazing backpack from Amazon. This is from the brand Baggett. It's actually a medium size backpack. It's not a small or a mini backpack, and it looks really gorgeous. I like this tan colored, and the shape of bags are really unique. This bag is just for about 945 rupees from Amazon. I think it's a really great deal compared to being it a Baggett brand, and the quality is absolutely great. And so you just open out like that, and that's it. The button outside, and that is the opening of the bag. And you just open the zips. It has like a lot of space inside. There is space here. There is space on the back, and also the center has a zip opening also, wherein you can put in your wallet or something like that, and a mobile holder on the back. So it's quite a spacious bag, and it can fill in a lot of stuff. So yeah, this bag is quite a spacious bag. I really like the model of it, and also the front one has a very big zip. It can actually fit in my big phone also in the front, and it looks really great. And again, it has a backpack thing which you can pull it up to make it like a sling bag, which I never use that option at all. But still, if you're somebody who likes a crossbody bag, you can still use that. So overall, I really like the model of it. This bag would be more perfect for I think college going girls, because they can actually put in your stuff also inside. It's a really great deal, and I think there was only one stock available. When it was on sale, massive sale, I just ordered it. I really like the bag. I'm really happy with the purchase of it, and for 945 I think it's a very good deal. That completes my one of the 1000 rupee shopping challenge from Amazon. Like, this is actually a beautiful dress. Just gorgeous looking dress. I just love the model of the dress completely, and I didn't know this dress had a zip on the side. So yeah, this is actually a very beautiful mustard dress, floral detailing on it, not too over the board, and the sleeve is really cute. It's got this sleeveless but a roughly detailing sleeve. It just looks gorgeous. I like this model a lot. Straight dress, it just goes till the ankle, so it has a slit in the front, so it makes it really comfortable to walk, and also really comfortable when you're sitting. And it has an elastic at the back, so it just holds perfectly well on the front. It fits so well. It feels very light on the body. Wearing jeans and something that holds the hip all the time, and then moving on to dress where you don't feel anything at all, it feels so comfortable and so relaxed. And also the square neck detailing of the dress is not too low, so it's not like too odd on the front. It's perfect. It just looks gorgeous. I just love the model of it. More than the model, I just like the way it fits on me. And this dress was originally for about 999. I got it on sale for about 799 rupees. It's not a much of a discount, like just 200 rupees off. I just got it, but I think it's really worth it for the price and the model of it. The next clothing that I picked up from Amazon is this beautiful white t-shirt. I am not into whites at all because I just cannot maintain white completely well, but this one was really cute, you know, considering the current situations and all of it. It looks really nice. A quirky little girl telling like, is it over yet? And it's a 100% cotton t-shirt. I really liked it, and a very simple yet very cute t-shirt. The best part is it has this high-low detailing on the front, so it looks like a more of a, not a cropped, but you know, semi-cropped version on the front, and also like it's longer on the back. It's really cute. I just love the t-shirt a lot. This t-shirt is about 199 rupees, like 110 rupees, a beautiful cotton t-shirt. I just got it. It just looks really gorgeous. Now that completes my second 1000 rupee shopping challenge from Amazon. A beautiful dress for about 799 and a cute little t-shirt for 199 rupees. Now the next 1000 rupees shopping challenge from Amazon, again it involves a lot of t-shirts and a dress. It's so gorgeous. This is like a proper 1000 rupee shopping challenge because I managed to squeeze in through 3 different items for just under 1000 rupees. This is the first t-shirt that I got. It's a very beautiful and a very quirky t-shirt. So it's just a plain blue cotton t-shirt, and it has this ketchup and a mustard sauce, and it just says you got a ketchup. It's so cute. It fits perfectly well on the body. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with high-waist jeans. I prefer wearing it with ripped jeans. It looks really nice. It's more of a little on a perfect fitting t-shirt, so if you wear it with a baggy or a boyfriend ripped jeans, it's gonna look gorgeous. And throw in a white sneaker, that's it. That's my regular go-to look. And this is again for about 199 rupees. Again, very cute little very quirky model for just about 199. I think it's a great deal. Now the next t-shirt I have with me is this. It's basically a very different color t-shirt. I don't have any t-shirts in this color. More of a turquoise color. It has this beautiful dog, and it just says all those beautiful yoga poses there. Again, this t-shirt was about like 200 rupees, like 199. 199 and the Dutch is also for 199. So it's already like 400 rupees is over in my 1000 rupee shopping challenge. Now the remaining 600 rupees, I got this beautiful dress, sleeveless dress, and they also have attached sleeve with it. If you want, you can actually stitch it up. It's exactly on the body. It's very comfortable. It a little bit flares up on the bottom. It just looks gorgeous. It's more of an A-line dress. Like the color of it a lot. I've actually gotten a similar dress from Myntra also, but one of you girls actually bought it from me through Instagram. But after giving it, when I saw it on Amazon, I still liked it more, so I thought I'd get myself one. The way it fits on the body, it's great. It's very comfortable, and also it's great to throw it on while I'm just doing, like, you know, grocery shopping, because that's the only place I go out now. And this grocery shopping outfit is really comfortable. Since it is sleeveless, it's more airy during summertime also. And this one, I managed to get it just for like 599 rupees. Now this dress was originally for about 999 rupees, but I got it on sale for about 599 rupees. I went with a size extra small, got a beautiful dress and two different t-shirts for just about 1997 rupees. I got 3 beautiful clothing from Amazon. Really like all of the clothes that I picked up, especially the bag. I'm going to give the link of all the clothing that I showed in today's video on the description tab below. You can check that out. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. I'd love to know from you. Thank you so much for staying around. Bye.